In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see Wi-Fi password on Android phone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings. To do that, just swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. On settings, at the very top, we can easily find connections, so we need to get into connections first. That's where we can easily find Wi-Fi, we can easily get into it. After that, we need to enter our current Wi-Fi network settings by tapping at the gear icon next to it. That is my current Wi-Fi network my device is currently connected to. And now here we can see password. It is actually hidden now, however we can easily unhide it by tapping right here. It will ask you to enter your PIN code or password or pattern, like in my case. And after that it will unhide the password, and that's how we can easily see it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.